is Kishore. I'm from Chennai. My business is I'm renting caravans in Cinefield in Chennai. So I came to know about the Drone Academy of Telangana straight through online. I inquired about it to many people with my friends. So everybody gave a wonderful response and positive feedback about that.
My name is Vamsi. I work for Dhruva Space Private Limited. 5 days here have been very good. The first couple of days with respect to understanding the tech part and then uh, learning how to fly over simulation, and the last 2 days of actually flying the drones. It was really good. It's a great experience. Everybody is great here with respect to teaching.
This is Rohit. I did my undergraduation in urban planning and my master's in geoinformatics. So basically, I work with satellite imageries and surveying and different for cities and agriculture areas. So currently, I'm working in Dhruva Space, and I deal with the satellite imagery section. So once I get the license, it will be free for me to get to move to the areas where the green zones and where I can do surveying and where I can need it.
My name is Syed Abdul Mohib. I work for Dhruva Space Private Limited, and I got certificate in 5 days. Really, I'm really very happy, and I consider everyone to come and join this academy. And there is more to learn about.